Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's take a look at Pepe. Really understand what's happening with the price of Pepe and of course what we could be expecting going further, obviously into this bull cycle. If we're looking across the board, today is an amazing day. As you can see, we're seeing tremendous amount of green yet again for the broader market. And Pepe is also up right now over the course of the last 24 hours. We're going to take a closer look at it, see what's happening with the price of Pepe and what we could be anticipating going further, like I said, into this weekend. Now, looking at the price of Pepe, it's only up 0.1% right now. It has seen a little bit of a retracement over the course of the last, I would say, few hours, but it's holding really, really good. And like I said, I'm going to share some, personal thoughts with you guys when I pull out the charts. So the price is currently sitting at 2163, still 4 zeros in front of the price. Down 2.4% in USD. I'm sorry, down 2.4% in Bitcoin and about 3.4% in Ethereum comparative. But what you really want to be focusing right now is the market valuation, currently sitting at almost 9.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 3.5 billion dollars. Tells you everything you need to know. The price of Pepe is gradually making its way back above that $10 billion mark, and so far so good. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the holder count is currently sitting at 343,915 holders. This is of course something that's been increasing day in, day out. So that's beautiful to see, of course. If you're looking at the broader meme coin market though, right now, you are seeing the market picking up traction. Mock coin got listed today on Binance, up 18.3%. I'm sorry, not Binance. It got listed on Coinbase, which is massive. It's a massive, massive deal. Shout out to the people that are, part of the Mog coin community, because that is a massive community, to be quite frank with you. So of course, not a surprise that, that this coin is up quite a bit, up 56.2% over the last 7 days. Of course, insiders, have been picking this up before the listing itself. So not a major surprise to any one of us on that side. But yeah, Pepe still has, that top third spot. It's coming for that Shiba Inu spot. It is coming for that Shiba Inu spot, in my opinion. I think the next leg up, which of course is going to break its all-time high, I think we could really, be giving, Shiba Inu a little bit of a battle to take over that spot. But let's take it one step at a time. Of course, if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, still sitting at 55.37 cents. Wow, 37%. So of course, this is something that's been continuing to fall. But look at what Bitcoin did. If you watch my market analysis update, we spoke about how Bitcoin this time around will be able to reclaim back above the $100,000, quite easily, and that's what we saw happen. And not only did we see that happen, we saw $100,000 close for today, which is insane to think about. But yeah, a continuous reminder to each and every one of you guys why you don't want to be leverage trading. Look at that major wipeout yesterday that we saw, and pretty much the market picking up where it left off of, right? As if nothing happened. So this is why it's a continuous reminder you don't want to be leverage trading, because moves like this can literally shake you out. So stay away from it. If you like crypto, if you have done your due diligence research and want to invest, into certain coins, let's say you have money that you can afford to lose, but you have done your due diligence research, then obviously it's extremely important to buy it on spot rather than purchasing it off leverage, because that will wipe you out. The chances of getting wiped out is insanely high. So just stay away from leverage trading. Pretty much simple as that. So you are looking at this pattern playing out. We're coming up to almost 1 month now of this consolidation after hitting a new all-time high for Pepe. On the 13th of December, on the 13th of December, we will mark a month of consolidation, and this is exactly as I've stated to you guys before in my updates. If you are a Pepe holder, you should be extremely happy the way the price of Pepe has accumulated, and the next leg up will take us above $10 billion market cap, and I think we could be heading towards who knows. Again, we can't really predict as to where exactly the market valuation is going to end up being. Obviously, if it's above 10 billion, it's above 10 billion. And I think, once we enter price discovery mode, if the demand is extremely high, things can really start moving fast. And believe it or not, now a lot of people, market makers, even want this flippening to happen. This flippening from, Pepe, Pepe to Shiba Inu. So you can see, even though, Shiba Inu has had a really good week over the course of the last 7 days, you're still seeing the 24-hour trading volume pretty much double on the Pepe side. And again, we speak about confirmations. This is yet again another confirmation why the likes of Pepe has much more demand than our good old friend Shiba Inu. So the target is the same, guys, the 23-ish zone. If we're able to break out of that key resistance, I do anticipate that we start heading towards a new all-time high. But so far so good. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Slow gradual increase. towards that all-time high. We're pretty much sitting at 9.1 billion. And if you want to put this move into perspective as to how far we are from the resistance that I'm talking about, around the 23-ish zone, that's about a 7% move. After that, only, you know, 10% move for us to retest the all-time high, and then obviously the rest is history after that. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing, and as I've stated to you guys before, in all my Pepe updates, it's really replicating Shiba Inu's original move, and I do believe that we're going to be in for a major surprise when we do see the Shiba Inu spot taken over. I think that could, speaking with the FOMO factor, the day I think Pepe takes over that second spot, I think this could bring in more FOMO, even more FOMO than it already has. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. Of course, patience is required. At the end of the day, time is the major factor. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. Make sure you have an exit strategy in this bull market and lock those profits in. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.